A court in Varanasi has reserved its order for tomorrow in a case related to a survey at the Gyanvapi Mosque that's located next to the Kashi Vishwanath temple. The same court had ordered a survey at the mosque supervised by a court-appointed commissioner after a petition earlier by 5 Hindu women who asked for year-long access to the shrine of the Ma Shringar Gauri located at the back of the mosque on a wall. But there's been a major dispute in this particular case, with members of the MASJID committee essentially saying that they would not permit the court-appointed archaeologist, the commissioner, to actually be allowed into the mosque and to film parts of the mosque, which they say is a violation of the law. This is fast becoming a serious political issue. What is now taking place is another court hearing, and tomorrow an order is expected to be passed on when, in fact, the court-appointed commissioner can go back to the masjid to film several areas. There are those in the masjid committee who say that their rights are being violated and that the identity of this masjid is being potentially desecrated, something that is illegal as per the laws of the land. There are others, members of the Hindu community, who feel and who have argued that there used to be an old Hindu temple which used to be over here, which was destroyed by the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb, which is why they believe that at least a part of this temple land needs to be handed over, at least for the purposes of prayer. This is becoming a huge issue, but remember what it has been for centuries, an example of our syncretic past, where the Kashi Vishwanath Mandir stood next to this masjid, as they still stand right next to each other, part of a larger complex. Today, it's a dispute.
At the time of the commission, the role of the commissioner was very confusing and he was biased that there is no such order to enter into the mosque, because in Din Muhammad case, it has already been declared by a verdict of the Honorable Civil Judge that the mosque and the courtyard and the land underneath is the mosque, and it is the property of the Hanafi Muslim, and a regular prayer is being done in that mosque since time immemorial. No prayer has been sought by the plaintiff to remove the mosque.
हम लोगों को परिसर जो विवादित परिसर है बैरिकेडिंग के अंदर वीडियोग्राफी से रोका गया दरवाजे पर, उसको सुलभता उपलब्ध कराया जाए ताकि जो हमारी कमीशन की टीम है वो भीतर जा सके। इलीगल जब हमारी श्रृंगार जिसका हम लोगों ने मांग किया है, वो चीज़ें तो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग का और कमीशन के बाद ही तो स्पष्ट होगा कि जो हमारी मांग है वो सही है कि गलत है। बिना जो है कार्रवाई के आप कैसे मान ले रहे हैं कि आप कह रहे हैं कि गलत है। कोई प्लेसेस ऑफ एक्ट जो है वहाँ जो है लागू नहीं होता है, क्योंकि अभी डिसाइड ही नहीं है कि मंदिर है कि मस्जिद है। आप कह रहे हैं कि मस्जिद है, हम कह रहे हैं मंदिर है। आपका मस्जिद डिसाइड नहीं है, हमारा मंदिर डिसाइड नहीं है, तो कैसे वो प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्सेट एक्ट 1991 कैसे लागू होगा उस पर।